Hello everyone, Jake Lane back for another review. Okay, I thought that was a dot. That's just the mic indicating that it's on. Sorry guys, didn't know about that. But in today's review is Grape Ice Prime Zero. Yeah, no, I should get the rest of the Prime Zero drinks to review. And we are also gonna be going over another Prime. It's Frostbite Fusion. This is inspired by Cairo and Lucan. I couldn't find their YouTube channel, but I'm keeping the bottle just in case. And it is a citrus tide flavor. In other words, citrus flavor. You guys know the nutritional facts of each Prime hydration, but Grape Ice is different from the rest. So it has no sugars. You don't have to worry about sugars. Put it in the fridge if you want it sweet. So we're gonna go over that first to see how it tastes. Cloudy color. Let's see if it'll have a grape flavor. Even with that coconut water, they duplicated a grape flavor. I can taste it. I can also smell it while tasting. I wonder if it's possible to smell and taste it at the same time. Because that is the first for me to smell the grape flavor. But back in from the bottle. Even from the bottle, it tastes the same. Grape flavor all the way through. I'm giving the Grape Ice 10 out of 10. Love some grape. Now we're gonna go for the Frostbite Fusion. Hopefully it'll be a good flavor. By the way, if you guys know anything about the YouTube channel, Cairo and Lucan. Oh, it says available on YouTube, but I'm not sure about Cairo and Lucan. However, let me know in the comments if there is one. But let's go over the Frostbite Fusion. It says shake, but I don't really shake these things. Cloudy color like the grape. Let's go back in from the bottle. I'm getting a citrusy flavor. Not the citrus you're thinking of, like Mountain Dew citrus or mellow yellow citrus. By the way, Kwame still likes mellow yellow, don't you, Kwame?
Yep.
But I still need to compare mellow yellow to Mountain Dew, however, to see if it's the same taste before Kwame does change his mind about mellow yellow. The citrus I'm thinking of on what that taste is orange and grapefruit. There's another citrus that's in there. I'm wondering if mango is also citrus. Kwame, is mango also citrus?
Mango?
Yeah.
I don't think so. I don't think so.
I cannot pinpoint that third citrus, but all I know is that I'm getting grapefruit and orange. That's what I'm pinpointing. On flavor wise. Well, I do like the drink though, even though I am pinpointing orange and grapefruit in the drink. But it doesn't beat out other citrus flavors that I've had. So, I'm gonna say this one's a 7 out of 10. Sorry, 7 out of 10 is all I got. My own rating on that. By the way, sorry for the no reviews on Friday and Saturday. Was playing Raid Shadow Legends, that's why. So, technically, if you want to play Raid Shadow Legends, I would recommend doing it now. However, because there's a character on there, you can get Rage basically teamed up with Assassin's Creed. If you haven't played the game, I would recommend checking the game out. If you don't have a PlayStation at all, if you do, you're lucky. Just suggesting to check out Assassin's Creed if you haven't played it. Could be worth your while, guys, instead of going for YouTube 24/7. Speaking of video games, I'm thinking about playing one of my video games today on the PS2, so... Well, after I watch the UFL, though, however, Columbus Aviators is playing today. But until another cereal review, this is long overdue. SpongeBob movie, Search for SquarePants cereal. As I said, it's long overdue. So tomorrow, reviewing this one. So until tomorrow's video, MJ Klein's out. Peace out. See you in the next video. Later, everyone.